going through a lot of challenges in their lives. They're at the low, nasa mababang part sila ng journey nila sa buhay. Pero ito yung time na ng journey nila na they're aspiring for a second chance. Ayun.
Thank you, Direk Lester. Miss Des, kayo po ba may i-share po kayo paano nabuo yung kwento?
Okay, the story behind the story. This was presented to the management by Direk Lester, their team, and then the management liked it, they approved of it, and then Finances sa Star Creatives, we helped develop and then developed. And so ito na siya ngayon na sana magustuhan nyo. Ayun.
I'm sure they will.
Trailer pa lang, gusto na natin, di ba? Grabe talaga yung trailer na yun.
Yes,
Hindi ko
that's right.
makalimutan.
I have goosebumps talaga.
Yes.
Okay, next question. And itong tanong na to is to anyone who feels like that want to answer this. So the question is, how do you prepare for your role? And how do you compare your role here in your past teleserye and then now? So how do you prepare for your role?
This is coming.
Action to eh.
Actually, lahat po kami nag-undergo po kami sa training for months eh. Tapos, nag-PKT kami, nag-Muay Thai, tapos tactical. So lahat, ang dami namin train, nag-war games kami, gano'n. So,
Actually, help yan eh.
Oo,
Itulong yan.
para maramdaman mo talaga yung feeling nung kung ano yung pakiramdam ng nasa war ka talaga. And ayun, nakita naman namin yung chemistry ng lahat nung nag-training na kami, tapos dami namin pasaka lagi.
Super dami namin pinagdaanan bago mag-day 1. Honestly, mga siguro 4 months, not every day, but mga almost 4 months kami nag-train. So, ang dami namin pinag-aralan, ang dami first time kong ginawa personally na hindi ko na-expect na makakahawak pala.
Motor ka na.
Wala pa yun. Pero yan, dami namin pinagdaanan bago mag-day 1. Kaya sa 4 months na yun, nabuo na rin yung friendship namin lahat.
Saka yung training na yun, we were taught how to do yung mga room clearing, when entering building, tsaka dun mahalata kasi kung maganda yung chemistry and then yung proper training handling the weapons. So we would sometimes go to mga airsoft games and then as a team, minsan hiwa-hiwalay, tapos sa firing range, different weapons, lahat ng individual weapons na gagamitin namin, ng characters namin, kailangan namin aralin yung weapon na yun sa firing range. Aside from yun nga, sa martial arts area, mga tactical moves for that. So, kasi nga, alam namin sobrang ma-action to.
Finger of the trigger.
Finger of the trigger. Lagi siyang finger on the trigger.
Delikado. Oo, delikado yan. Yes, Direk Lester.
So basically, before we start the show, we set up a training camp. The training camp is like an athlete's camp or a soldier's camp. How an athlete would prepare for a competition, that's how we do it. So they really endured a lot of pain and hard work.
So much pain.
They trained martial arts. We wanted to showcase Filipino martial arts in this show. Several kinds of Filipino knife fighting, sword fighting, and hand-to-hand combat. And then they also trained in real tactical close quarter combat. We trained under some of the best military consultants for them to teach us all, including us directors, how to fight a real battle inside a close quarter combat. We fired real guns. We fought in a simulated way, and then other than that, it's also a team building, but it's a grueling 4 months 4 months journey. So before we shoot the first day, medyo okay na yung bonding ng team.
Grabe yung 4 months na training.